Okay, so let's continue with the table, insert table. So now we have this table, and if you want to remove the table, you can simply select it and click on the delete, and here you have the delete table. Also you can delete particular row or the selected. Suppose I don't want this row, select that row, click on the delete row, right? Suppose I don't want this column, select the column, click on the delete column, right? And suppose I want to delete whole table, so select the table, click on the delete table, right? So this way you can work with the table, and all the things like whatever you have written inside the table, all the text, all the formatting options are same for the text, right? So this is done, and now let's move to the next portion. So here you have the inserting page break, page number, objects, and all the other things. We will see some important things which are actually needed. So how to add the page numbers? So you can go to the insert. See, right now you don't have any page number, right? Here you can see here you don't have anything. I want the page number either in the header portion or the footer portion. Header means the top of the page, footer means the end of the page. And when you say that inserting header and footer means on each and every page you can find the same thing. Let's see, you will get an idea. So right now, okay, let me first increase the pages. Okay, so right now I have total 5 pages, and I'll just show you view and multiple pages so you can see all the pages together. So see, here you have 5 pages, right? And you cannot see anything on the inner header or footer section. How to add it? So go to the insert menu. Here you have a header. Click on the header. What you want in the header, let's say the title of or the topic name or the document name, whatever, or your own name. So suppose I want this, okay? Okay, click on that. Okay, there is some problem. Okay, let me, okay, that is actually related with my Word document. Okay, now see what you can do. You can write here. Suppose I want to write that computer fundamentals, right? Chapter 1. So I want this on each and every page. So save it, close it, and now I'll show you each and every page. See, you can see this header on each and every page, right? So you can add the header. There are multiple styles that you can select. Again go to the insert. So this is your header. Many different styles are there. You can pick any style. Now I want the numbers, page number in the footer section, or directly you can select the page number. In a footer, suppose you want to write your publication name or something else, or this design. Suppose I want this figure. Okay, then see, I got this design in the footer, right, on each and every page. Now I want to insert the page number. Click on the insert, go to the page number, where you want, top, bottom, where you want. I want in the bottom section, so go to the bottom, and in the bottom here you have multiple options, the different styles actually, which type of page numbering you want. Suppose I want this method, page or a total page. Let's have a total page of page. This I want page 1 of 1 style. Okay, save your document and close it. So now you can see that there is a page number, page 1 of 5, 2 of 5, because we have total 5 pages. It is showing 4 out of 5 or a 5 of 5. So this way you can give the header and footer, right? This way you can give the header and footer. Okay, So after header and footer, how you can insert the symbols we have already discussed, right? Footnote and note we'll see. Let's focus on important things. Pictures. So go to the insert menu. You can insert many pictures like whatever you have in your in your computer. So I'm just clicking on the picture, this device, and it will ask for the location, let's say wallpapers, and I want this wallpaper or this image, right? So you got that image, and once you select the image, you will get the picture format tab, and you can apply many various effects, like I choose this, right? So this way you can insert the image as well. Also there are picture border, picture effect options. Suppose I want a red or a yellow border, so you can select the yellow border. If you want little bit thin or border, so you can select the weight of the border from here, right? So this way you can insert the image and you can apply various effects as well. The similar way, when you say insert, so many things are there, like just like the picture you have the smart art chart, shapes you have, like you can choose any of the shapes. Suppose I want this triangle, so you can choose that triangle. These all are considered as an object. So this is your object, you can work with that, and you can see that shape format is there. You can change the color. I want to fill this color, then I want to give this background, border, and I want to increase the weight of the border. Also you can write something inside this object, so for that simply right click and add text, and here you can write whatever you want to write, right? So suppose you want to write your anything, you can write 1 2 3 4, right? This way you can write, right? So this is how to insert the various objects and pictures, page number, header and footer, and all the things you can find inside the insert menu. Various things you can add, right? Important things I have already shown. Other things you don't need to focus on, just focus on some important portions, right? So this is about how to insert the various things. More we will see in the next part.